What's up, babies? It's your girl Tati Chanel back with another video, and we're back with the spooky season business. Okay, so right here we're gonna do two layers, two coats of dehydrator. Basically, that's alcohol and acetone, and then we're gonna do two coats of primer. And I'm using the Valentino primer. I've liked it so far. I usually go in between the Young Nails Protein Bond and the Valentino. So I like both. Honestly, it's whatever is at my local beauty supply store. And these tips are going to be on my website. So they're not on there yet, but they will be there for the relaunch. Again, that is happening in late October. So make sure to keep up with the newsletter. And this color right here is a mixture of Oshi Peachy and Oshi Peachy with glitter. So basically, it's Oshi Peachy. It's just like it doesn't have that much glitter because, we didn't want it that sparkly, but we wanted a little bit of sparkle. So you can purchase that on my website as well. It's such a pretty universal peach color. It's a true peach color. I love it for all my French designs. I think this color and any color in French looks adorable. So I really like that. So for the ring finger, we are going to be covering the whole nail, the ring finger, and also the middle finger. And these fingers, we're going to be doing our French tip. And for them people that are going to come for me saying, oh, you don't do your French tip with acrylic. No, I do not. I like doing my French tip with gel. I think it's just so much cleaner, so much easier. And it's so much easier. Like, I have good line work, so I think that's why it's so easy for me. But I have a video on how to do French tip with gel polish. 3 easy steps. And again, this one we're going to be repeating the same process. Make sure to keep your acrylic clean, and what I mean by that is make sure you're moving it from side to side just to keep your shape the same. As you can see in the ring finger, that's only application only. So you see we don't have to do a lot of filing. So just try to, what I'm doing right here, go with the side of the brush, the belly of the brush on the side, and just try to keep that same shape. And for the excess acrylic, I just go in with my thumb. For those people that are going to come for me saying that, oh, you're not supposed to do that, I don't care, girl. I always do it, and I love it. It just makes a crisp line all the time. Again, here, make sure not to flood the cuticle. For this, I'm doing a 2-ball method. Not a 3, just a 2. And on the cuticle, take your time because, we do not want to flood the cuticle, touch the cuticle, or anything like that, because that will cause lifting. And that will cause you for your client not to come back. So, girl, we don't want that. And then for the pinky, we went in with some Mia Secret clear. And this one is going to be all black. So, that's why I'm doing just an all clear nail. And leave in the comments below what videos you guys want me to do. I don't know, like, I've been keeping up with the Halloween sets. Like, I've been doing really good, posting consistently right now. But I'm kind of running out of ideas. I did order the iguana nail just so I could do more designs for y'all. So, just let me know what you guys want to see. Like, if you guys need help doing something, a design you guys want me to do, I don't know, just anything I could do for y'all. So, look at how good this one came. Application only. Look at the side profile. Beautiful. And then this one, I got a bead of clear acrylic and some black hollow glitter. I wish I did have a solid black glitter, but I didn't. But it came out still super cute, with the reflection. Because it had some red, some green, just a hollow, normal type. But this is all I had, so, we had to work with it. But let me know how y'all also do your glitter. I know some people, like, lay a thin layer of clear and then sprinkle some glitter or apply it with the brush. Let me know how y'all do it. I like to mix it. Basically get a bead of clear and dip it in the glitter. I think that's much easier. But let me know how y'all do it. So again, we're working in 2-ball methods. And on the cuticle, we are taking our time. This brush, I believe, okay guys, first of all, I was kind of struggling because this brush, I left it overnight in the acetone, and you guys know acetone does dry up, so my brush was literally like stuck to my little dish, so that's why my brush looks like if it was to the side. So yeah, and always make sure to encapsulate your glitter. You have to do this step because if not, you're gonna file off the glitter, and what's the purpose of putting glitter if you're gonna file it off, right? So a thin layer, you do not need a thick layer, you know, just a nice thin layer of clear. And yes, there is a difference between clear pink and clear, y'all. The clear pink has a lightly tinted pink in there, but you still can tell the difference, so please don't put the tinted pink. And also for the thumb, we did clear. I just didn't show it in the video. I just think thumbs are so boring. Okay. Next, we're using our 100 hand file that is on my website as well. Best files ever. As y'all can see, look at how crisp the shape comes out. And I don't be filing for hours. It just literally takes me like 7 seconds to file one nail. And that's because my acrylic application was really smooth and clean. I say take your time on acrylic application just because it lowers the time of your filing with your hand file and your e-file. So make sure to get all the way up to the cuticle so that could be tapered too. You don't want a thick cuticle and then like a thin nail on the bottom. And you see how I'm going underneath? Make sure you do that so everything can be really, really straight in the bottom and you don't have like no raggedy acrylic or anything like that. And as you can see right here, shape only. And then I didn't show the e-filing. I just used my ceramic bit, which I will leave in the description. So right here, I'm going in with my black from Organic Nails. And I don't know where to tell you guys to get this from. I get it from Mexico. As you guys know, I live in El Paso, so it's like right here, like across the border. So I just don't know where else. Maybe you guys can try Amazon and look for it, but I'm pretty sure they'll be more expensive since they are imported. But I don't know. Right here, we're going to be doing the Frenchies. Guys, I just feel like I love Frenchies. I used to hate Frenchies. I think they were like so tedious and so, but now like I can do them so fast. And I think it's just because, you know, the gel polish is so much easier. But look at, we already have our base down and now we just go in with a liner brush and fix it up. Period. Done. Again, go watch the tutorial if you guys need help doing French tips. It's super easy. You just need a good brush and some good gel polish. Right here, we're taking it from all the way to the top and meet it in the center. And make sure to look at it in different directions, like up and down, so you guys can know that it's straight. Just because you got a good shape doesn't mean it's centered. So just make sure it's centered. And as you guys can see right here, period, sis. Period, sis. Now we are going in with some red gel polish and we're doing the outline. So go ahead and follow that outline of the black. I mean, you already have it there, so it should be really, really easy. And with the same liner brush, you know, just cleaned it up and then following the black line. Make sure it looks good. And guys, no, I do not get it in the first try. Sometimes I do go back with like a lint-free wipe and wipe it off because I get frustrated if it's not straight. So just take your time with it and make sure your lines are just nice and crisp. Sorry, my big old head in the way. And then that one's done. And then now we're going in with the second one. And then doing the same process. If you get some on the skin, don't even worry. Go in with your nail or a clean up brush with some acetone and clean it up. Not a big deal. And then connecting the other side. Oh, I can't wait to show y'all this part. Oh, this part is so nice. So I'm just finishing up the outline. Like, hurry up, Tati. You took forever. Okay, right here. Period. Look at this. Look at this. Ooh. That is a nice droplet. So basically what you're doing is you're trying to collect all the gel polish on the tip of the brush and then letting it sit and then drag up. As you guys can see, let it sit, drag up. And there you go. That created your blood dripping. Again, let the drop go all the way to the bottom, push, and then up. Again, drop, place, let it sit, pull up. Period. Look at guys. Look at how beautiful these came out. This was like honestly my first time doing drip, honestly. Honestly. Yeah, I don't be doing designs like this. I really don't. And I underestimate myself all the time saying like, oh, I can't do it, guys. I'm so sorry. But look at how nice these came out. I was so proud of myself. And right here, we're going to be putting our Tati Chanel No Wipe Gel Top Coat on this glitter. And look how pretty it came out. So nice. So then we decided to do some ghost. And my first time drawing ghosts too, alright? First of all, I'm not going to lie. The girl, my client, she sent me, like, the inspo of it looked like sperm. Okay, I'm so sorry. Cover your ears. But like some sperm, and I was like, oh hell no, you know, we're not gonna do that on some nails. So I decided to like just loop the ghost instead, because girl, it was looking like some sperm was swimming in some blood. So I was like, that does not look okay. So we decided to go with like this little design. And I mean, ghosts can be like however, right? Because they're just like smoke, I guess. I don't know. So we went in with our dotting tool and just drawn 3 little circles, made them look like they're scared, saying boo. Then we went in with our matte Koopa gel top coat and did that and cure them. And this is how they came out. And we put some bling on the pinkies and the thumb. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, babies. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can know when I post. And I'll see y'all till next time. Bye, babies.